Hello everyone! Ngayon, we are going to open another Shopee package. Tara, gupit na natin yung plastic ng package nito para makita nyo kung ano ang laman. Wait lang, ayan. Gupit. Go, go, go. Ayan, nakikita nyo, may dalawang box na maliit. Tapos makikita nyo yung keyboard box. Tinatanggal ko na. And ayan, ilalapit ko. Ang tatak niya ay leave-in. Then, i-flex lang natin ng mabilis yung box. I-open na natin. Ayan. As you can see, ang binili ko is yung color white. This product is 61 key Mechanical RGB Keyboard Removable wired. Then, inside the box, meron siyang instruction. Plus, kapag in-open nyo pa yung box, makikita nyo na yung wire niya to connect to your PC or laptop. Then, of course, I also bought one mouse from Leave-In. And yan, color white siya. But yung wire niya is color gray. And look, yung design niya is very unique. Tapos, I'm opening now yung freebie ng seller. And thank you so much, seller, for this freebie. Type-C charger yung freebie niya. By the way, ang keyboard nito ay red switch. And syempre, at the back of this keyboard, meron siyang stand. This product is from PH Stock Berrien Warranty for 858 pesos. Okay, that's it. Visit their Shopee account. Bye!